Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the very first exercise of NCERT book, and we are going to start with the very first question. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. I am taking 5th and 9th part because rest I have explained you in the previous two lectures. So what is the 5th part? Collection of natural numbers. Which of the following are sets? Justify. Collection of natural numbers less than 100. Is it a set? Yes, because you can collect all natural numbers which are less than 100. And what are those? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 99. Clear? Second, collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Is it a set? No. Again, most dangerous term. This term is what? This is a vague term. Clear? Sometimes a small insect can be most dangerous for us, and sometimes the big animals cannot be, right? So most dangerous animals or most dangerous persons, that is not a clear term. It varies from person to person. So this is not a set. Next, second question. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you have to insert the symbol belonging to. What is this belonging to symbol? I have told you. So see, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am taking first and sixth part. First part, you have to tell 5 dash A. You have to insert the symbol belong or not. See, 5 is there in set A, na? So you will write 5 belongs to A. Clear? And then next 10. 10, see 10 is a 10 a member of A? No, na, 10 is not here. So you will insert 10 does not belong to A. Clear? Similarly, you have to do other parts. Next, third is write in roster form. First and third part I am taking first part. This is written in set builder form and you have to write it in roster form. What is A? X such that x is an integer and minus 3 is less than x is less than 7. Means you have to take all the integers which lie between minus 3 and 7. So what are those integers? You have to write those integers. Between minus 3 and 7, how many integers are there? See, there is minus 2, then minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? So these are the integers which lie between minus 3 and 7. Next, x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. You have to write those 2-digit natural numbers where the sum of its digits is 8. Now firstly, you know that the 2 digits number, they start from 10 and end at 99. Now write down those 2 digits number where the sum of 2 digits is 8. So first will be what? 17, right? So first is what? 17. Then you will start with 2. With the 2 you will write 6. With the 3 you will write 5. Then 44. Then 53. Then 62. Then 71. And then 80. These are the 2-digit numbers where the sum of the digits is 8. Next, write in set builder form. This is a set and you have to write it in set builder form. This is the second part of question number 4. Then see, suppose this set is A, right? Then what is this? Firstly, see it very carefully. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. It's not a table of 2. Then observe the pattern. 2, then 4, then 8, then double 16, then double 32. So it is what? 2 raised to power 1, 2 की power 2, 2 की power 3, 2, 4, 2 raised to power 5. So x such that x is equal to 2 raised to power n. But this n belongs to natural number and your n is lying between 1 to 5. Clear? So this is the set builder form. Another, again, this is the set. You have to write it's this in roster form, in set builder form. Suppose this set is A, then its roster form is what? Again, observe the pattern very carefully. What is this? 1, 4, 9 up to 100. This is what? 1 square. This is what? 2 square, 3 square up to 10 square. So you will write x such that x is equal to n square, right? Where n is a natural number and n lies from 1 to 10. Clear? Because it is what? 1 square, 2 square up to 10 square. So square is there, but n is varying from 1 to 10. Now list all the elements of the following sets. What is this? You have to list the elements. It means you have to write them in roster form. Because in roster form, the elements are enlisted. Clear? So you have to write it in roster form. X is such that x is an integer, x square is less than equal to 4. You have to write those integers whose square is less than equal to 4. So 0, if you will take 0, the square of 0 will be less than equal to 4. Then 1 square, then 2 square, right? Because 2 square is 4, 3 square you can't take. So you will write minus, at the same time you can take minus also. Minus 3 you can't take. So the integers will start from minus 2, then minus 1, 0, 1, 2. These are the 5 integers whose square is less than equal to 4. If it is written x square is less than 4, then you will not take these two integers, minus 2 and 2. You will just take minus 1, 0 and 1. Last is, again you have to write it in roster form. This is the sixth part. X such that x is a consonant in English alphabet which precedes K. So you have to write the consonants before K. So A is a vowel, you will not write B, then C, then D, E you will skip, E, F, G, H, I you will skip, I, then J, bus, that's okay, right? So this is what? Roster form. Clear? So today we have done the whole exercise. Rest part you may do. So you have to complete this exercise in your fair notebook. And tomorrow we will start with the next concept, empty set. Clear? Once again I am telling you, you have to complete the whole exercise in the fair notebooks. Thank you.